Hey everyone! Today we're talking about a brand new browser that might just change how we use the internet. Because AI isn't just about chatbots anymore. Now it's built right inside your browser. And that's why people are saying Google Chrome might be in trouble. Chrome launched back in 2008 and quickly became the most popular browser in the world. But here in 2025, it's showing its age. It's heavy, it eats up RAM, and Google's constant tracking makes people uncomfortable. Plus, its new AI tool, Gemini, is still limited and experimental. Now, meet Comet Browser, built by Perplex City AI. This is being called the first real AI web browser. It doesn't just load pages, it understands them. Comet can read any web page, summarize it, answer your questions, and even do small tasks for you. It's super easy to install. Just grab it from the official Perplex City website and download the Comet Browser installer. After downloading, install it with on-screen instructions. Now installation is completed. Once you open it, you'll love how clean and modern it looks. Smooth animations, minimal icons, and a bright, simple design. The coolest part is its AI sidebar. It can summarize the page you're on, answer follow-up queries, and suggest related sites instantly. Comet is based on Chromium, so if you're a Chrome user, you can easily import your bookmarks and extensions. But under the hood, it's powered by a built-in AI model called Orion, which reads the page structure, understands context, and gives you accurate answers in real time. Want a summary or a product suggestion? Just ask. Comet handles it. Now, if we compare Chrome and Comet, Chrome is fast but heavy, and its AI is still in testing. Comet is lighter, faster for AI tasks, and much more privacy-friendly. It keeps your history, searches, and data stored locally, so nothing leaves your device. It also manages resources smartly. When you minimize a tab, Comet puts it to sleep to save RAM. That means smoother browsing without slowdowns. Sure, it's still in beta, so you might hit a few bugs or delays, but it's really promising. The web is moving from static information to intelligent interaction, and browsers like Comet, Arc, Brave, and Edge are leading that change. If Chrome doesn't evolve fast, it might end up like Internet Explorer. So give Comet a try and see what browsing with real AI feels like. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.